This Halloween season, as the leaves fall and the nights get cooler, there's something spooktacular brewing at Whole House Fan Company. Get ready to be amazed by our revolutionary Whole House fan. It's like magic. This fan silently replaces the air in your home 15 to 20 times an hour, ensuring not only your comfort, but also healthier indoor air quality. But here's the treat in our bag of tricks. During our Halloween special, you can enjoy a spine-tingling $300 off on installation. It's a deal so good, it's almost scary. Bid farewell to those haunted high-energy bills and embrace the supernatural savings that come with Whole House Fan. Say goodbye to stuffiness and hello to the ultimate in-home comfort and efficiency. Don't let this Halloween magic slip away. Contact Whole House Fan Company today to unlock the secret of a healthier home and enjoy $300 off during our Halloween special. It's time for you to breathe easier, save bigger, and make this Halloween one to remember.